All right, so to find the slope, you need to figure out what the y difference is. So what's the total bill increasing by from 28 to 40? That's an increase of $12. And from 40 to 52 is also an increase of $12. You gotta figure out what the x difference is. So what is the number of gallons increasing by? It's increasing by 6 and 6. So that would be $12 for every 6 gallons of water, or 12 divided by 6 would be $2 for every 1 gallon of water, or just $2 per gallon. Okay, oops, gallon. That's how you spell gallon. There you go. So, in a nutshell, this is what the slope really means. It's this rate. Um, you could, if you want to talk about what the slope means, you could use this right here, this sort of structure. The slope means that the first variable we want to talk about is the y variable here, also known as your dependent variable. So the slope means that the total bill is the bill increasing or decreasing? So 28, 40, 52, I'm increasing. So the total bill increases by how much is it increasing by? Well, it looks like it's $2 per 1 gallon. So $2 for every gallon of water. All right. So if I were you, I'd write down in your notebook. This is a general form you can use to describe what the slope means right here. Um, Now, since the slope is a rate, there's a lot of ways to write rates in English. You could say $2 for every gallon of water used. You could say $2 per gallon. You could also say $2 for each gallon. So take a minute and write down some notes about how you write what the slope means. And in general, this is sort of the format I think would make the most sense. And this part right here can be for every gallon or per gallon or for each gallon. So the for every, per, and for each are just some different ways in English of sort of saying that same rate. So like I said, take a few minutes and take some notes on how to write what the slope means.